Hi guys, welcome to my channel. And I was craving a Nutella cake for super long, and I will show you guys how to make one. So we got one egg, 1 tablespoon of milk, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 3 tablespoons of oil, 3 tablespoons of flour, and 3 tablespoons of Nutella. It's my favorite. Now we're going to get the mixer. First we're going to beat the egg. Then we're going to put the flour. Now the sugar. And now we're going to put the oil. And then Nutella. Since guys, no one's going to need this, right? So I'm going to lick it, okay? Because it's my favorite. Ew, why is it sticky? Now we're going to put the milk. And now we're going to mix it. Now mix it properly. Now I'm going to pour it into this bowl. Oh, look at that, yummy. Ready to go in the microwave. Now I'm going to put one at a time. And now we're going to close the microwave and put it for 1 minute. Oh my god, it smells so good already. I can't wait to eat it. Just look at, oh, it's done, yay. Look at that, yum. 1 minute, come here. Make sure to put your mittens on. If you guys are little, ask your mom to help. Just look at that, guys, look closely. Yum. Let it sit for 2 minutes. Now I'm going to spread some Nutella on it. That's super yummy. I want to eat. I can't wait. I got some sprinkles here, but I'm going to use pink and purple. Let's go with pink first. Oops, that's a lot. Now I'm going to go with purple. Press it a little bit with the spoon, that means it can stick to the Nutella. Let's eat! Super good! And if you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Bye!